Hey all of us, welcome back to the Coming Rough Market channel. You guys know what time it's Miles. We're going to be speaking approximately none other than XRP. If you're taking part in those XRP updates, do damage that like button as it does move along manner. BlackRock has bought 359,279 Bitcoin worth over 23 billion, considering the fact that the beginning of the year. And of root, you understand some breaking news that came out in advance these days. PayPal enables us businesses to buy, promote, and preserve cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies are at the tip of the tongue of quite a lot, everybody at this point, gaining traction. People think that retail hobby isn't always there right now, for XRP mainly, and that is proper. Retail hobby, as to what we visible in the beyond, is not there, even at the start of the 12 months when the market became booming. Obviously, in phrases of the hobby that we saw then as compared to now, obviously that has reduced pretty notably. However, I think that is approximately to change. So allow us to get proper into, however, earlier than I try this, as constantly only a quick disclaimer. Anything in this channel is not economic recommendation. Always do your very own due diligence and research when you are making an investment in crypto. So we're going to start out by means of take a look at the wider market, see what truly is taking place. With the overall markets, if you are looking at the general marketplace proper now, we're seeing quite a piece of inexperience across the board. The continuation of this bullish momentum after the FOMC assembly is simply beginning to expose, and this have to not really be coming as a wonder to anyone, folks, due to the fact that it's something we have been discussing. As far as XRP is worried, yes, it's fast seeing a little bit of a lag. And quite a few human beings within the XRP network have a tendency to get taken aback at this fact, but you do not want to be getting bowled over. You want to understand what is definitely in reality happening, what can be the triggering in reality as to why you are seeing a bit of a lag. The fee is presently sitting at 58.5 cents at $33 billion, and the 24-hour buying and selling extent is at about 1.1 billion. But like I stated, the next few weeks are very, very critical. Speaking approximately the following few weeks, we have a few matters to speak about, but before I do this, as constantly, just a brief disclaimer, something on this channel isn't monetary advice. Always, continually, constantly do your very own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the BRICS alliance is trying to launch a new foreign money tied to gold alongside a basket of local currencies. Backing the brand new currency with gold will assist to give up dependency at the US dollar, and tying it with a basket of nearby currencies will increase the native tenders of emerging economies. While developing countries stand to benefit from the development, the US economy and the greenback may be overwhelmed. And once more, that is the principal motive why this de-dollarization factor is going from the BRICS. So the United States greenback runs at the deliver and call for mechanism as the entirety else does. And if it profits no demand inside the international market, the USD will face deficits. BRICS may want to equip its new foreign money with gold and a basket of nearby currencies in advance without the United States bucks. And once more, this can have a prime effect at the charge of, on USDT. I'm sorry, now not USDT, US dollar. So DXY, however, you already know gold and go back once more. If this is confirmed, we recognize that you realize Summit is developing. So let's examine what type of discussions are going to be revolving across the stablecoin. You realize, speaking about stablecoin, we're going to come back to that. We had a discussion approximately the day gone by, but you may see if the BRICS foreign money gets sponsored by means of gold, the cost of the precious metals should skyrocket in addition within the charts. BRICS is the most important purchaser of gold on account, the 2022 gathering heaps of valuable metals reporting to the Arena Gold Council. This provides extreme pressure at the US dollar as as the global monetary dynamics may want to exchange unexpectedly. And speaking about that, when you consider that, we are discussing that on a daily basis. I spoke to you men approximately this actually yesterday. We are in reality seeing that taking place. Gold, commonly whilst hobby costs get reduced, you do tend to look, obviously, the riskier belongings going up, but gold is skyrocketing in the direction of new all-time highs after new all-time highs. What's truly impacting this? Things are starting to make feel to me. Everyone on the quid of the day has their own opinion. Everyone has their own way of perceiving the whole lot. But the way I look at it far, I cannot forget what is occurring with Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett liquidating his shares rings a larger photograph in phrases of a red alarm when it's personal. But on top of that, you are seeing gold skyrocketing and us greenback now not gaining the momentum that it commonly has. So could this simply have most important primary effect on the traditional markets as properly? Again, manifestly time goes to inform. However, things are not searching too accurate in terms of the near future. Obviously, the elections are coming up. A number of human beings are maintaining a watch on that. But I want to recognize in the feedback down beneath what you guys consider this, due to the fact this is certainly, honestly, thrilling and critical to maintain in thoughts. But talking about strong cash, you can make this up. We're entering region 4, approaching the 12 months' end. Absolutely loopy to even think about. So you could see shout out to smoke displaying exchanges like OKX have already started out doing away with non-compliant stablecoins consisting of Tether as Mika law takes keep throughout Europe. This is how regulators are imposing compliance with the law. These new guidelines are predicted to trigger a sizable purge of the crypto corporations in Europe. like Tether out of the predominant markets to delistings, threatening its commercial enterprise version and weakening its market dominance. You know, this is insane. This is insane. You can see earlier this year, crypto alternate, okay, I may want to delist USDT. And, you know, that is a massive, massive thing, guys. A lot of humans don't recognize how big it's far for an alternate to delisting USDT. USDT has its personal pairs. If you realize, if you understand centralized exchanges, you understand how huge of a deal this genuinely is for essentials for us to conform with regulation and uphold the safety of our platform. This is obviously arising from OKX themselves. So you may see how will the stablecoin phase survive. With exchanges like OKX already shifting to conform with guidelines by using delisting short cash, it's apparent that regulatory bodies will best continue to provide you with the policies for crypto subsectors. And this is where RLUSD, Brad Gerlinghouse and the team noticed the vision to peer a solid coin launching. And I suppose they truly are taking huge advantage of this due to the fact I suppose solid coins might be something that could be a regular verbal exchange inside the subsequent 12 months, specifically after BRICS publicizes their strong coin. Obviously, I think that is going to alternate the game. Moving ahead, you may see the sweeping legal guidelines may purge the block of crypto providers who will locate it tough to conform. Let me recognize within the remarks what you guys reflect on consideration on this, because this proper here tells you the entirety you need to realize. As far as the price or greater piece involved, don't forget October 7th is developing. There's nevertheless that window of, you already know, a potential attraction, and some human beings think, you know, there's no traction, it really is not going to show up. But allow me to tell you, do no longer pay attention to these human beings. You in no way can be positive till the day is completely over. So you already know I look at it from that point of view as a ways, because the broader market is concerned. Even the fee of XRP, you know, the dominance is pulling down quite sharply. Bitcoin, however, continues to be battling it out at the 64 key resistance, having a touch bit of a hard time breaking out of that key resistance. And once more, should not certainly be a large wonder to any one people. You know, this is something we've been considering quite an awful lot, seeing that these low stages, that 64K variety, and I'm positive humans are beginning to recognize the significance of that. At some distance, because the fee of XRP is involved, yes, it is scuffling with it out above this key resistance, still ultimate above this key resistance. Obviously, humans want to see those August highs at 65 cents being retested. People want to peer the March highs being retested at 74 cents. However, we want to recognize there's nevertheless a lot of traders at the sideline. Uncertainty continues to be quite excessive, consider it or not. This is still pretty excessive, but if and once more that is a if aspect, if we do see no appeal, October 7th is going away. I suppose this may have a genuinely suitable effect at the rate of XRP. But once more, glaringly on the quid of the day proper now, time is the fundamental aspect that we need to hold in thoughts. But permit me realize down below what you guys think. What are you guys doing right now? I love each and each one of you guys. Thank you for all of your aid. The XRP network continually suggests the importance of the strength I suggested there. You know, network, that is something I've been announcing from the beginning. If you are following my channel, you men recognize that love each and every one in